This is a calf and foot massager all in one, and this right here has to be like one of the best ones I've ever had, because I will say that it's so easy to use with it, and it feels amazing with too many different options. You literally just go ahead and put it on. You go ahead and choose your different massage modes built in, how long you want to go ahead and go for. You have a vibration mode, you have a different heat modes on there. You can go ahead and choose how things rotate with it too as well. And there's also a roller option as well that you have a couple different options with it too, like off, low, and also high, all built in. So it's super easy to use, and it has an angle bracket in the back, so that way you can go ahead and make it nice and easy. So right now I kind of show you guys how it's all squeezing the sides of my legs with it, with compression massage with it. Then also on the bottom has rollers that go ahead and roll the bottom of your calf. Now we're going to go ahead and move it into the foot massage mode, which is also one of my favorite things to do. So we're just going to go ahead and slide our feet in here, and we're going to go ahead and turn this thing here on, and it feels amazing. So it's definitely a great way to massage your feet after like workouts or a long day of work. With it, it gives you a nice compression massage on your feet on both sides. Then it has the rollers on the bottom with it too. You have your heat option, and you also have the vibration option with it. But it's a great way to just kind of sit back and relax all together. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it kind of looks like a little bit closer up here with my feet. I don't know if you can see my toes moving. That is not me moving. That's the rollers and everything else underneath moving my toes and my foot up and down, back and forth with it. So it has a fan. Look, you can kind of see inside of there, the rollers doing its thing. The red right there is going to be the heat added on. You could also turn off the heat with it as well. Altogether, I really do suggest this foot and calf massager.